Hello everybody, and in today's video I'm going to continue helping you guys get started with Python. This is episode 4 of my Python series. I'm so excited to continue helping you guys get started with Python. Let's get into the video. Alright, let's dive right into it. So today we have a new concept and some new code that I'm not going to show you guys yet, but we are going to run the program. So let's put our eyes right here. I'm going to click run and it says, what is your name? What if I don't want to say my name? So I'm just going to click enter and enter, and I'm not going to enter anything, but it's still asking us what our name is until we say, let's say my name's Zeklab. And then it's just going to repeat it back to us. Very simple concept called while loops that we're going to be learning all about today. That's right, today is while loops on episode 4 of my season 1 Python series. So now I'm going to unveil the code that's right here. So we can see that it is name is equal to just double quotes, which is really just nothing. So you could just say none. But I'm just going to put it as double quotes. And so then it says while name, this is a while loop, so while our name is equal to nothing, colon, and then indents, name is now equal to input, what is your name, and then after that, we print the name. Let's try and do another one. Now, let's do something different. Alright, now we're going to be using while loops with booleans. Here's how. We can use while true to do whatever we like during our while loop. So we can use while and then true, the boolean, put a colon, and let's say we want it to print hi. Then it'll infinitely keep printing hi a million times. Let's clear it out. Now let's also print hello. Then it'll go from hi, hello. But there's also other kinds of while loops that we can use. So let's say name is equal to Ben. So we could do while name is equal to Ben, and it will always be equal to Ben. So it's basically the same thing as saying while true, but it's while name is equal to Ben. But we could also change this. So while name is equal to Ben, what if name could equal input? Change the name. But while we're doing that, it could print hi. So when we click run, change the name, it'll keep saying hi until we change the name. So let's change the name to name. Hi, change the name, hi, change the name. So what we're gonna have to do after this is break the loop. So what we can do is we can go inside of our while loop if the concept from last video, name is equal or is actually not equal to, exclamation mark, equals, is not equal to Ben, then we could use break. We'll get back to that in the next video. So change the name, and then when we finally change the name, it will break. But if you click enter, then a random error will come in. So let's keep going. Alright guys, now I have a challenge for you guys. The challenge is to make a program with a while loop that will ask, what do you want your name to be? And give it like two choices, Ben or Bobby. Then inside a if statement, say, if, let's say the name is Bobby, then inside the if statement, do a while loop that's while true, and then inside the while loop with a colon, say something random, print anything. If you guys manage to make a code that's like this or similar like this, make sure to drop it down in the comments below so I can see it and test out your code. If you have any other codes or awesome ideas for videos, make sure to also drop that in the comments. What should I do next? And so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!